What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, we are still doing our crypto coin display giveaway, as you guys can see here on the screen. All you have to do to win one of these this Sunday is just by commenting your favorite cryptocurrency in today's video, as well as comment subscribe. Do those two things and you will be entered into the drawing to win one of these crypto coin displays. Also, on that note, we are literally 20 subscribers away from hitting 50,000 subscribers on the channel, which when we do, we'll be giving away one of these exclusive limited XRP ticker displays, which is very cool. I already have ordered mine to come in for display on our channel, but I'm very excited to give one of these away, so definitely make sure to subscribe. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's video is the fact that we've had tons of articles recently over the past maybe 8 or 10 hours come out in regards to the fact that people are starting to see XRP and Bitcoin as the next bullish run and immediate bull, cycle all the way to the upside, especially following Ethereum, which is currently still breaking out, as you guys can see. Ethereum from the start, about 2 days ago, we closed about $3,300. We closed at about $3,400. We bought in, and it's been a beautiful ride from $3,400. Now we're almost retesting $4,000. And we have XRP, Bitcoin, and Binance Coin literally right behind, waiting to explode up. Otherwise, that's pretty much what we're going to be looking at in today's video. When is this breakout going to happen? If you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so yes, we do have a lot to talk about in today's episode. I wanted to show you guys a few articles first that I found quite interesting. These are on Cointelegraph, but the first one is basically saying the XRP price chart bull flag puts the next bullish target at $1.50 for XRP, which actually looks really good considering we're trading at about $1.27 and about $1.50 is right around this level, and I think we could go higher. Maybe once the breakout occurs, we'll go to $1.50, but I think we'll be heading up honestly to $1.63, if not up to all-time highs at $1.84 for 2020. But you can see what Cointelegraph is basically talking about is that XRP is going to be breaking $1.25. We clear this, the next level obviously that we're heading up to is about $1.50, $1.60, and that's honestly what I think about. They're still obviously talking about the $1.3 billion worth of XRP getting in the lawsuit right now, but honestly I think we look really good. As you can see, the judge ended the call, and it looks really bad for the SEC, and XRP is pretty much going to be breaking through this potential lawsuit. So very exciting to see this, but they are talking about the fact, as you can clearly tell, very similar to our charts, that we are starting to retest from the SEC lawsuit back up. A lot of good positive news is coming around from this market, but regardless of that, we are starting to retest these resistances, and I believe with certainty that we are going to be breaking through them very soon and flipping bullish. But the fact is we are starting to have very bullish signals across the board. Not only are we noticing it within our technical analysis, but a lot of major cryptocurrency exchanges, as well as bigger blog posts like Cointelegraph, are also hinting and signaling that we are looking at a very bullish scenario here. So I'm getting very excited. Not only this, but we have to look at Bitcoin too. You can see Bitcoin bull run sparks 180K Bitcoin price prediction ahead of institutional fireworks, showing signs of seeing a spectacular September. This is also what I find interesting. We've been discussing here on the channel that Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos could be breaking bearish and seeing B2C a very negative, bearish scenario on Bitcoin, that we could be seeing B2C connections filling in the gap here, that usually every year we see a bearish scenario for Bitcoin in September. But here we are on Cointelegraph talking about how this could be a spectacular September, basically saying Bitcoin tracked as it crisscrossed above to the $50,000 barrier after returning to it for the first time in almost 2 weeks. The largest crypto seeing gains against a largely positive background. Traders were understandably bullish on Bitcoin's prospect. Break above 50K and we'll easily see a 58 to 60K retest, which is 100% accurate, and that's exactly what I see. As you can see right here on their price chart that they're leveraging, you can see with the uptrend, if we break through 50K, which is right where these resistance are, the next movement up is probably up to 58 to 60K. I am completely behind that and backing that. That's exactly where I see. As for 180K to 135K as a minimum target, yeah, I do believe those are very possible levels. No, not in the short term that we're talking about this, but I do believe we are going to see those retracements very soon, or movements up to the upside very soon. So that's why I'm getting fairly excited for the way the XRP and Bitcoin charts are going to be moving to. So just to start right now, you guys can see for the most part that Ethereum has exploded through its resistance, sending tons of volume into the market. You can see right here, top 10 cryptos are up about 1.28%, but it's Ethereum that's really carrying this market, up 25%, and Solana as well, up 68 or 67% overall in the past week, and 20% today. It's only these two that are really showing dominance within this market. So we should definitely be talking about Solana too, probably next week. But to start looking at Ethereum right now, the fact that we closed above this major resistance that we've been, tracking for many days now, literally since I would say closer to August 8th, August 7th, and honestly, really since August 13th, in between that zone that we started retesting this top resistance, we were discussing, we break through 3,300 on Ethereum. It's big volume coming into this market, and we're going to be moving up. And as you guys can see, just 3 days ago, we did exactly that. We closed above our major resistance at 3,300 in a very similar symmetrical triangle formation that we were considering an Elliott wave, to be forming here. But regardless, we broke through it. And you can see how this is very similar to the Bitcoin chart that I'll draw on for you guys right now. Not only, that's the biggest thing that you guys have to understand, is that Ethereum's price pattern looks very similar to Bitcoin and XRP and Binance. They are all forming major symmetrical, Elliott wave formation triangles. And that's the most important thing here. So when we see something like Ethereum close above the resistance, which we discussed, the second we see confirmation of a closure above $3,300, we buy in long and leverage this to the upside because volume will be coming in. That's exactly what we saw. And here you can see we shot up from $3,400 all the way up to what's now $4,000 retest, which is an insane amount of volume. And we're saying that this is probably going to foreshadow these other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and XRP to be doing the same thing. So there's a lot of things that were going on here. XRP, we're really looking for XRP to obviously do what Ethereum did, which is closing for what XRP would be above its resistance at about $1.30. We closed about $1. People are saying about $1.25. I don't really think it's $1.25. I played a little more conservative. We close above $1.30, or at least are trading above there, and we close $1.30 to $1.35, or honestly anywhere above $1.30. That's a bullish signal to buy in, anticipating a big rally to the upside. We have not been able to close above $1.30 since August 13th, and since then we've seen a clear resistance level at the $1.30 level. So if we can get the confirmation and the price closes the daily above here, I like $1.33. That's a bullish signal to buy in and leverage it all the way to the upside, because we will be experiencing a big break. Not what I wanted to do. Exactly like Ethereum is having this big volume spike. And you can see percentage-wise, that is about a 23% run. Easiest thing to freaking chart. I don't know how many times you said it. Go back to my videos. We literally discussed in depth that Ethereum is the coin that we're buying now because of how easy and tradable it is. That's when we bought in. We capitalized off Ethereum's run to the upside. It was the easiest freaking thing we could have done. Like, nothing was easier. And then we're saying we're going to be making profit off of Ethereum until XRP and Bitcoin and Binance Coin are ready to buy into. But we're just going to leverage it up, creating that stop loss. We actually didn't get stopped yesterday, which was very convenient. And we've just been rallying this to the upside now, still in on a Ethereum trade, capitalizing off a beautiful run. So really, it's just waiting for XRP, it's waiting for Bitcoin, it's waiting for Binance. Now, I do want to talk about AscendEX really quickly. Hopefully, you guys remember AscendEX from a couple of weeks ago when we were talking about this trading platform, which I did link in the description, and I highly recommend you check out and test. But recently, I've been on the hunt and on the prowl for looking for a different exchange. Nothing wrong with Bityard. I love Bityard sincerely, but I feel like what's better than one exchange but to have two, to use the benefits of both, since maybe one doesn't necessarily offer everything. Reason being that I like AscendEX for right now is, yes, obviously they're a very well-built exchange that offers tons of different things within crypto, but the one thing that really opens my eyes, Bityard is great for like maybe honestly for all levels of trading. I love it. I'm still going to use it every day, but in regards to high volume withdrawals, which I feel like Bityard can definitely fix. AscendEX has that option for you guys, and that's what I like about it. So if you do decide to like withdraw cryptocurrency from the website and you go to like wallet or something and you go to crypto assets and you'd like to withdraw your money from here, I'd love to figure this out. I don't know why it's not popping up. But you can withdraw money from your account very easily. Like here we go. So if you find any crypto and you set a withdraw, like if we go to Chainlink, which is a difference, and this is the biggest difference I'm noticing between AscendEX and Bityard and why I'd like to have both on my team instead of just one, but you click withdraw on Chainlink, you get a 3,200 Chainlink withdraw. I mean, if we just do the math quick, we do Chainlink to USD, and go to maybe Chainlink. Nah, not on the coin market cap. We pull it up on CoinGecko. Chainlink is trading at about $31, and if you can withdraw a limit of 3,200, that's over $100,000. Honestly, more. 32. Yeah, there we go. $100,864 in regards to withdrawal limit, which is impeccably high, which is great. That means you can withdraw a 3,200 link with probably a very minimal fee. 0.5 link. Consider that 0.5 link. Bityard, on the other hand, if you wanted to withdraw your funds, charges 1.2 link, and the max you can withdraw is 60. So you can see the difference between both. There's nothing wrong with it if you're not trading with major volume and you need to withdraw a little bit here and there. But when you want to withdraw a lot quickly, that's why I recommend AscendEX for right now. So definitely make sure to check out both. If that's a problem you're having, then this is hopefully a good solution. And there's other things we can talk about. There is a sign-up bonus with big profits in the description down below. So definitely check that out too. But more importantly, ending today's video on a high note, you guys know that's pretty much what we're confirming and waiting for. It's XRP to break through top resistance here at about $1.30, confirm the break, and a swing to the upside is what we're looking for. Obviously, closing above $1.35 would be a big break to the upside. If we start to get rejected and start to consolidate back down, we close below our uptrend, this green support, then we know to short it from B to C. So we're going to win regardless of direction. We're already winning from this beautiful Ethereum trade that we have right now. Hopefully, this is foreshadowing the rest of the market. And for Bitcoin, wow, holy crap, I didn't even see this today. This might be a beautiful buying opportunity now that we're confirming a breach above this resistance. We kind of closed ever so slightly above there. We didn't close above 50K, which is what we were really looking for. So we'll see how exactly today decides to pan out. That's really what I'm going to wait for. I'd like to see how we go around trading here, but if we can close, let's say just ever so slightly above here at like 50K, then I'll buy in because we're now just finally breaching 50K, which we've done in the past, don't get me wrong, but we've wicked down below it, and we did it yesterday, we wicked down below it, but if we can close today above this resistance here, we close exactly how we are, just like this, then we are going to see a major volume burst into crypto, and we're going to see a major run at Bitcoin. Honestly, it might even be something that we buy into today, Bitcoin. It really might be something we buy in today, depending on how we start playing out. But things are looking really good for Bitcoin. I bet if I refresh this, we're going to see a higher run within Bitcoin. No, that's lovely. Still 5% though, but Bitcoin is starting to rally up, and that is a very good sign. So let's see how we close today first. If we start to see a major run, then obviously we'll buy in, but I don't think it's going to happen just that early. Could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. Wait for the confirmation of closure for the daily, then we'll buy in and leverage it to the upside. Binance coin, very similar, expectations and annotations. We close above our resistances, above about $500 on Binance. We buy in and we leverage it, that bad boy, to the upside. It's really waiting for that confirmation. We breach the support, we close below support, we short from B to C. Very simple, very easy. That's what we're looking for in these cryptos. But once volume starts dumping into Ethereum again, we're going to see it dump into Bitcoin and XRP and so on and so forth. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to check out AscendEX. That's support me in the links down below. Definitely make sure to subscribe so you can win one of these bad boys over here. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.